Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open ecoPay account and send the money across 60 plus countries and different currency. So how to use ecoPay for the money transfer one country to another country. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab in Google and just simply type ecoPay. I already put this link in same video description. So like there, look at this here, source online payment for international transfer money. You just simply click here and this is a platform of the ecoPay application. You can open account absolutely free. We can see here rest of like a freedom to make sure online payment. Also you can pay online, total confidence. Some of the reviewers are putting this one. I read those review and that's why I am making this video. So before start anything, we just simply open here free account. I click here. As an account opening point of view, you need to put it here your username. So put it here your username. Then I am put it here my email address. Password is a case sensitive and your country, which language you are comfortable, accordingly select which currency you are sending. So as usual I am sending here euro, and then here your personal information, you just put it, fill out this and which types of income you are receiving. So I am selecting here employment income and then put it here the captcha. I receive SMS also, create account. Purpose of your account, so just I simply sending fund from friend or family, just only I go with that. My nationality Indian, tax residence country, employment status employed, employment contract like a director, partner or senior manager or owner. I senior manager. Industry is which types of industry you are working, accordingly select. IT in technology. Estimate value of your salary like 5 to 10,000 and estimate value your monthly outgoing like 1 to 5,000 and save. So look at this, my account is ready. Entire informations are available here. Here is my account number. You can download this application and then also control this application. Now here deposit options are available. Deposit point of view, you add a third party or third bank credit card, debit card here and then deposit how much money you want deposit here. As a transfer point of view, also you upgrade now initially or between account or bank account. So primary bank account is my this and now upgrade now. So upgrade point of view, you need to verify point of view, you put it here your proof of identity, proof of address and selfie. So we go with that. As a proof of identity point of view, you put it here passport, photo card, driving license or national identity. So we go with that passport. So passport first copy like this, not cross and all. So we first of all upload here one of my passport copy. So I upload here front page of passport copy like this. If you are receiving some issue, so you can put it here some of the message. Take time to open this account or verify the complete process like up to 7 days. Verify your account and you can very easily. So here question comes here, how I transfer. So first of all you can deposit here using third bank credit card or debit card, and then after in this particular account you receive here some money no matter which currency you are receiving, and then accordingly you transfer button and then fix out which bank on which location you want transfer this particular money. After finish the verification, then you can transfer money using ecoPay application.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.